Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off WhatsApp notification sounds on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off WhatsApp notification sounds on phone, we can do it two ways: from the settings of the phone itself and the notification sounds on the WhatsApp. First we'll be going to the WhatsApp, so let's open the WhatsApp on our phone. And over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see the three dotted icon. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner and tap on settings, which is just below the stored messages. And over here guys, you can see the notifications option available for us just below the chats. Tap on notifications and you will be able to turn off a particular notification from over here which you want to turn off. Or if you want to turn off the notification totally from WhatsApp, open up the settings on your phone and search for apps, and here it is. And over here guys, you can see the app management at the top of the screen. Tap on that, and on the search bar tap on that and search for WhatsApp. Tap on it and you'll be on this interface where you can see there is the manage notifications option available for us just above the permissions. Tap on manage notifications, and over here guys, you can see the allow notifications option available for us over here. At the right side of it, there is a toggle icon. If you tap on the toggle icon, all the notifications will be turned off from WhatsApp. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn off WhatsApp notification sounds. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.